Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text style in an Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here many text. Now we want to change the text style. At first, select any cell. Now I am select the cell. Then we increase the size. You can change the color. Select the color drop down menu and change the text color. You can make the bold effect or add the italic option. You can add the underline. Otherwise you can add more than style. Now we can see we change text style in Excel spreadsheet very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.